Hi traders, hope you had a great trading week. I'm on the Aussie Yen day chart, got my monthly, weekly, day support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're referenced in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now the Aussie Yen was held at 96.87 monthly resistance last week. Friday started to form a lower top, but for all the week holding on a weekly support from over here at 95.73 and forming a day support level. So at the start of the week, this is the area to watch. 95.73 down to 95.55. Is that going to hold as support, or are we going to move down and through? Does price move below, become resistance for a continued move down next week? So we sold off last week, forming a lower top. So watch 95.73 down to 95.55 at the start of the week. Does that hold as support to move up, or are we simply breaking below? And we could, if we break below hard, move all the way back down to this area where the strong advance started from. Alright traders, moving on to Aussie dollar. Had a very strong decline. Support here couldn't hold at 68.18 down to 68.05, and traded all the way down to support. Day support at 66.74, actually closed a fraction below. So at the start of the week, can we move below support, down towards and test weekly support at 65.73? We are a little bit overextended now, so I wouldn't be surprised to see price come back up to revisit 68.05, the 6800 level. And does that further hold as resistance for then a continued move down? So can support break from a day chart perspective? 66.74 for a move down to 65.73. Don't be surprised to see a rally back up to 68.05. Alright traders, on to Euro Yen. Still continuing its very strong advance. If you're prepared to be a buyer on this pair at such high levels, the next major resistance level is up here at 158.59. That's weekly resistance. Is really just want to be looking for some form of intraday dip. And are we continuing up to test 158.59, a weekly resistance? It is getting very high up and extended here, so be cautious. So I would be looking intraday for dips, targeting a move up towards 158.59 weekly resistance. Alright traders, move on to Euro dollar. Now in contrast to the Euro Yen moving up, Euro dollar is moving down. We were up for the week on Thursday. High of the week happened on Thursday. Failed trying to move above the 110 level, failing at day resistance 109.70. And then poor Eurozone news drove it down to day support 108.92, just close fraction below. So is this level of day support going to break in the new week? And are we continuing to decline? We're going to move down, possibly to test day support at 107.78. Now this is moving, trying to move below a support low to a lower low, so we may see a rally. So can we move down to 107.78 or close to next week? We may need to see a rally to put in a lower top, so we may see a revisit of 109.70 for a final test before moving down. It's a little bit overextended to the downside there on Friday. So can the decline continue this week? Alright traders, on to the pound yen. Still continuing its strong advance. Started to hold above 180.41 monthly support now. 2 trading days there held. And we've closed above daily resistance at 182.12. So if the advance can continue, I'd watch for a move up, a pull back to 182.12 now to be support, to continue the advance. Next major level of resistance, if we're targeting it, is at 188.80 monthly resistance. That's a good 600 pips away. So can that strong advance continue Can it hold above 182.12? Daily resistance this week. Alright traders, last pair to review for the weekend. Pound dollar finished on a very soft note Thursday, Friday. It's formed a lower top, trading down to test weekly support. So is that lower top the signal that we may move through support? So at the start of the week, watch 126.79. Can that hold as support, or are we moving down and through? Alright, so is it support to move up, or are we breaking below? If we break below, then watch it to become resistance for a further decline. So at the start of the week, 126.79. Does it hold as support, or does it break and become resistance? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan.bray at acy.com to get access.